Starting around 20 January 2024, Velo generally is exchanging at $0.0051 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.88% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo in a real sense has a sort of all-out market cap of $37,809,342, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,193,297 in an unpretentious manner. This really makes Velo lovely positioning at 583 in the digital currency market, in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo truly be worth in 2024, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking? Is Velo a wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024 in an exceptionally significant manner? Will Velo cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, which truly is very critical? These in every practical sense are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, or so they generally thought. Velo value expectation 2024, as per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the Velo cost in every practical sense is supposed to essentially cross a truly normal value level of $0.0082, the normal least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to especially be $0.0080, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Besides, Velo can arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.0098, or so they thought. Velo value gauge January 2024. In January 2024, the cost of Velo especially is supposed to explicitly be at around in every practical sense, least of $0.0056, which really is genuinely critical. Velo cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.0062, with the fundamentally normal cost of $0.0061 in United States dollars, which basically is genuinely huge. Velo value expectation February 2024. The cost for Velo in February 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.0060 and $0.0065, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.0063, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Velo value estimate WALK 2024. The Velo cost for WALK 2024 may arrive at a very least worth of $0.0061, while the sort of greatest gauge cost is around $0.0068 in a sort of significant manner. The exceptionally normal cost for Velo basically is in a real sense anticipated to explicitly reach $0.0064 in WALK 2024 in an unpretentious way. Velo value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the genuinely greatest cost for Velo could truly stretch around $0.0071, or so they especially thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in April 2024 generally is $0.0063, with a really normal cost of $0.0066 in a quite huge manner. Velo value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the most extreme cost for Velo could truly stretch around $0.0074 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in May 2024 truly is $0.0065, with an especially normal cost of $0.0068, so Velo value expectation 2024, as per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Velo cost basically is supposed to in every practical sense cross an especially normal value level of $0.0082. The normal truly least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the truly current year ought to in a real sense be $0.0080 in a significant manner. Velo value expectation June 2024. The cost for Velo in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.0067 and $0.0077 in an exceptionally enormous manner. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.0070, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo, value figure July 2024. The Velo, cost for July 2024 may in every way that really matters arrive at the very least worth of $0.0069, while the essentially most extreme estimated cost especially is around $0.0080 in a significant manner. The genuinely normal cost for Velo really is explicitly anticipated to especially reach $0.0072 in July 2024, so besides Velo can in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.0098, which in a real sense is very huge. Velo value expectation August 2024. Velo cost generally is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0.0070 to $0.0083 in August 2024, while the genuinely normal cost of Velo for the August stays around $0.0073. Velo value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Velo cost explicitly is gauged to arrive at the most reduced cost of $0.0072 in an unpretentious manner. The Velo cost could basically arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.0086, with the kind of typical expected cost around $0.0075 in a very significant manner. Velo value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the most extreme cost for Velo could stretch around $0.0090, or so they thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in October 2024 by and large is $0.0075, with a very normal cost of $0.0078 in a very significant manner. Velo value expectation November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Velo cost explicitly is estimate to in a real sense arrive at the least cost of $0.0078, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Velo cost could basically arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $0.0094, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.0080 in an especially large manner. Velo value expectation December 2024. Velo cost truly is supposed to by and large reach between $0.0080 to $0.0098 in December 2024, while the truly normal cost of Velo for the December in a real sense stays around $0.0082. Velo truly passed value examination. In the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been somewhat diminished to 7.82% in its kind of current worth, which generally is very critical. Assuming we look at the kind of current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap by and large is likewise down in an especially huge manner. Velo most certainly is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Velo generally is down to nearly 1.35% in the truly most